Hey everyone. Hope you all are having a great weekend. I just wanted to do a quick breakdown of Friday's price action and the setups that I saw during Friday's AM and PM session. Basically, on a daily time frame, my bias was bullish, especially because of Wednesday and Thursday's bullish close above the previous day. So Wednesday you saw a very strong close, Thursday close, Friday you want to see continuation, right? So if you drop down to the 1 hour, I'll just basically show you how I mark out my premium discount levels. So these are very important. You want to see price come down to the discount level when you're bullish and then see how it reacts off it. So here is a good example where I took the swing low and the swing high of this, and you can see price come to the 50% level and do a quick rejection off it and continue higher. Um, this was also on Thursday, by the way, and then 3 p.m. you saw a very strong bullish candle, right? And then it continued higher. If I drop down to the 5 minute, I'll show you exactly what was happening during the AM session before New York and during New York. So yeah, we got this Asia high, buy side liquidity that didn't get taken out, and we saw a drop around 8 a.m. straight down. Now I know a lot of traders were waiting for the London loan to get taken out, and that would have been ideal. But when you're, on the fly, you don't. There's not a 100% chance it will get taken. And if it doesn't, you want to look at certain price action and go from there how it's behaving, right? So we didn't get this London low taken, but we did get this minor liquidity get swept, and it sort of just kept rejecting and rejecting it. And then I'll also have this VWAP indicator on my chart. It's a, sometimes I've gone through where I didn't have it on my chart, but there's been times I do because I know it has a very good reaction off, price has a good reaction off this indicator. So anyways, I'm looking at this 9:30 open, we sort of go straight bullish, but then we reject the entire area, the fair value gap, which is right here. Is I'll just combine the fair value gaps on the 5 minute. We reject it, and then the next 5 minute candle, we see a very strong bullish candle. So we were breaking above this VWAP very strongly, and we got the 5 minute inverse. So this was a setup you could have taken over here with the stop loss below this candle and basically target the previous day high because obviously based on my daily bias, I want to see price going higher. So when you see this internal liquidity get taken and you see the very strong bullish candle, you can take market orders and or wait for the 5 minute retest of the inverse and target the previous day high. If you didn't take this trade, it's perfectly understandable. Other things I can look at is, or I saw during the day was the same thing. You look at the premium discount levels every time. You would take this low and this 9:30 swing low and the swing high over here. And once again, you can see 50% level. Comes to it, rejects it very strongly with this bullish candle, and then continues higher. Creates a 5 minute inverse. You can take a setup over here along off this and keep continuing higher. The ultimate target for me was this. We never got to it on Friday. But most likely when Sunday evening opens, I mean, we're probably gonna get this taken out. Um, but even if you don't get the ultimate draw, your bias is still long and you want to see continue higher, the move. So even if you didn't get to, all the way here, you can still take profits until end of day. So this was one other setup where you reject the VWAP, you reject the 50% level, you get the inverse and you go higher. Um, Another setup, continue after that was from this swing low to swing high. I'm really trying to show you guys how the swing low and swing high and the 50% level is very key in looking at the markets. So you have these two gaps. One is below the 50% level or around it, and one is here. And you see the rejection, right? You can take a limit order as well. After lunch lows get taken, you want to sort of see the lunch highs get taken out now. And you can take a limit order over here with a stop loss below the either the swing low or below the fair value gap and continue higher. And I encourage you guys to like draw these premium discount levels out on your swing high and swing lows, and you don't want to take a long setup when it's in the green shaded area. You want to see at least come down to the this level and then continue higher. So hopefully this video helped you guys. And if you have any questions, just reach out in the Discord channel, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.